Arpeggios are a fantastic way to improve your guitar solos, but they're also a great way to start figuring out music theory because of the why behind their function. Stick around after the exercise for a few examples of where it can be directly applied. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more easy guitar practice, and drop a comment if there's a specific technique or concept that you'd like to see in simple practice form. This exercise is in G major, so that means we're using G major arpeggios. And I recommend taking a screenshot anytime we flash the tabs. That way you'll have them pulled up and ready to go as we move through the lesson. So where can you actually use this arpeggio line? To start, pretty much anything in the key of G major will actually give this line plenty of room to work well. More specifically, you can layer this over any G major chord in any chord progression because an arpeggio is just a chord broken into individual notes. I'll be providing a link to a G major jam track in the descriptions so you can try layering this on top to see when and where it sounds best to you. Definitely play this piece alone, but that's an excellent way to test the applicability. All right, that's plenty to chew on for today. Hit the subscribe button if this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.